Hello viewers, this is Just Fake Network TV, a place where you can get the latest information about Nigerian news and out the news in details. I cannot engage in a fight with a pig. Oshiomhole attacks APC Governors Forum's DG. Former national chairman of the All Progressive Congress, Adams Oshiomhole, on Monday finally reacted to the allegation leveled against him by the party's Governors Forum Director General, DG Saliu Lukman. Speaking after an exclusive meeting with the President Muhammadu Buhari at the Presidential Villa Abuja, Oshiomhole stated that he will not engage in a fight with a pig. The pig already is stained by its nature. He also called Lukman a serious failure on political election. He said Lukman contested for Senate against McCarthy and El-Rufai during the primaries, and he lost before Fayemi unilaterally appointed him the DG. Speaking further on his mission to the presidential villa, the former Edo governor said he came to appreciate the president and pledge his absolute loyalty to him. Though he expressed confidence that the APC will emerge victoriously in the election. Oshiomhole revealed that his visit was to also request for more security for the conduct of the September 19, 2020 poll. He said that whoever was found wanting, either among the opposition PDP or the ruling APC, should be brought to justice. So these are what he said. Oshiomhole responding to Progressive Governors Forum DG. He said, you want me to engage in a fight with a pig? If you engage in a fight with a pig, the pig already is stained by its nature. And you will wear your white garments, and in my own case, khaki, to go and wrestle with a pig. I will not. You see, what I want the media to interrogate, how does winning Edo when I was removed as national chairman? Edo was APC, so do I have to win Edo to become the chairman? Do I look so unemployed? I am 68, so what they don't understand is that it is not the office of chairman that made me who I am. It is my pedigree from my days as laborer in the textile industry to be the general secretary of textile workers all over Nigeria and becoming the president of NLC. There is no village I go to that people. There is no village I go to that. People do not know me, and it is this that I used to override the godfathers in Edo State for 2 consecutive terms and even got the governor elected through elections. No violence before becoming the national chairman. So if you remove the office, it's like our president now. Though I cannot compare myself to him, but it is like President Muhammadu Buhari by 2023, when his tenure would have lapsed as president. But those who believed in him in 2024 and beyond, each time they see him, that trust they have in him will always be there. He bonds with the people. That bond was not created by the fact that he is the president. In fact, he became the president because of that bond. But it takes an empty brain to suggest that I only want to stage a comeback to become the national chairman. For what? To go and do a reset? So my attitude is not to reply the noise. And it is coming from somebody who says he is an employee, an appointee of Progressive Congress Forum. He is just like the cowards that are using him, that are not able to come out. Otherwise, you should ask this guy, who is now an election expert. He contested for Senate against McCarthy. He lost. He even contested against Governor El-Rufai during the primaries, and he lost before Fayemi unilaterally appointed him the DG. So if he is now the spokesman abusing me and all that, and all of that, you want to drag me to his level? No. A gentleman does not wrestle with a pig. If you do, you will always be stained, and I don't want to get into that. Wow. So viewers, what do you think about this news? What is your own take? The fact is that Adams Oshiomhole is not even ashamed of himself at all. Trust me, he doesn't know the level at which many Nigerians have actually placed him right now. He doesn't know at all, because if he does, it would not be talking like this. This APC government has turned Nigerian parties into something else. They have turned Nigerian politics into something else. It is not that I am against Adams Oshiomhole, neither am I supporting the DG, the APC Governor Forum DG. But the fact is that Adams Oshiomhole still thinks that many Nigerians still love him. He thinks that many Edo people still like him for what he has done in the past. The reality is that when you hear people's comments outside, you will see that majority of Nigerians, mostly the Edo people, they dislike Adams Oshiomhole like nothing. And the reason is that because of what he has done in the past, it doesn't have a good it doesn't have a good record at all. Look at what happened between Adams Oshiomhole and Obeseki. It wasn't funny at all. And this man is not even ashamed of himself. He still have the right to go and meet President Muhammadu Buhari after removing him as the chairman of APC for that matter. Maybe he forgot that he has been removed. You can imagine. So this man is like, now the man are khaki to go, of course, according to what he said, because he even make jest of himself. He said that if you engage in a fight with a pig, the pig already is stained by its nature and you will wear your white garments. And in my own case, khaki to go and wrestle with a pig. You can imagine. So he already even stained himself before people staining him already. So this man is just like, he needs to go somewhere and sit down and rethink about his life. That is it. With the look of things now, he's now bragging that even before he became the chairman of APC, he has become what he is right now. That he has money, he has everything before he became the chairman of APC. Indirectly, he was saying that APC being the chairman of APC has not even bring any positive impact in his life. That's the meaning of what he's saying. But the fact is that Adams Oshiomhole needs to find somewhere and sit down and rethink about his life and rethink about how he's going to reset the whole situation and make many Edo people and many Nigerians to like him, to come back to him. That is what he's supposed to be doing right now, because this man is not ashamed of himself at all. So viewers, what do you think? What is your own take? Your comment is highly appreciated. Kindly drop your comment in the comment section below. For those who subscribe, we want to say a very big thank you to you for subscribing. We'll say God bless you if you're here to do so. Kindly press the subscription button below. And also please don't forget to press the notification button so that whenever we upload news, you will definitely be the first person to watch our latest news anytime, any day. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Stay safe at this crucial time. Bye.